Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English is always easy and so much fun. I'm Maya.
And I'm Jack. Hello, Maya. It is so wonderful to be here with you and all of our listeners again today.
I'm happy too, Jack. How are you today? You look incredibly happy.
I am great, thank you. I've got my favorite cup of tea, the sun is shining, and we are talking about a really fun topic. It is just a very good day.
It really is. And to our listeners, how are you doing? We hope you are all fantastic. Now, before we start our chat about the weekend, we have a small request for you.
Oh yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us. And please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new episodes.
Exactly. We want to help you learn English every single week. Oh, and share this with your friends so they can listen to our stories too. Sharing is caring, right? Okay, Jack, I'm ready. Our topic today is the weekend. Let's start with Saturday. What did you do last Saturday?
Well, on Saturday morning, I woke up quite early. I really love the morning because it is so quiet. I went straight to my garden. I have some small tomato plants and some beautiful red and yellow flowers.
Oh, I love yellow flowers. But isn't gardening hard work?
A little bit, yeah. I spent 2 hours pulling out weeds. My back was a bit tired, but it felt so good to be outside with the plants and the birds. Nature is very peaceful.
I completely agree. Did you go for a walk after that?
No, I didn't. I was starving, so I made a huge breakfast with eggs, toast, and fruit. Then, in the afternoon, I went for a 3-hour hike in the woods. The trees were so tall, and I found a crystal clear, cold river. It was beautiful. What about you, Maya? What did you do on Saturday?
Well, I did something completely different. I decided to try a new hobby. I tried to paint a picture.
Painting? Wow, Maya, that is amazing. Are you a secret artist?
Oh, definitely not, Jack. I'm a complete beginner, just like our listeners learning English. I went to the park, sat under a tree, and tried to paint the lake. Water is so hard to paint because it's not just blue, it's green, gray, and even white. It was difficult, but I had so much fun listening to the dogs barking and kids playing.
That is the most important part. Having fun is way better than a perfect painting.
Exactly. Afterwards, I bought some local honey and a lavender candle at a market, went home, lighted the candle, and read a book. It was a very calm evening. What did you do Saturday night, Jack?
My evening was a bit more busy. I met up with my friend Mark at a restaurant. We ate pizza, I had a veggie pizza, and Mark had extra cheese because he absolutely loves cheese. We talked for hours about our families and work.
That sounds lovely. Friends really make the weekend better. Now, what about Sunday? I know Sunday is a very special day for you.
Yes, Sunday is my favorite. For me, Sunday is a day for God. I go to church every Sunday morning. As a Christian, I believe Jesus is my Savior, and it is so important for me to take time to say thank you to Him. It brings me so much peace.
That is really beautiful, Jack. What actually happens during the service?
We sing songs, which makes me feel very happy, and the pastor talks about the Bible and how we can be good people. Afterwards, I chat with my friends there. It really feels like one big family, and it gives me so much hope for the upcoming week.
I can see how happy you are when you talk about it. Thank you for sharing that. I usually visit my family on Sunday, so I went to my grandmother's house.
Oh, how is your grandmother?
She is great. She is 85 years old, very strong, and an amazing cook. We actually baked a chocolate cake together. She shows me exactly how many eggs, flour, and chocolate to use. The whole house smelled amazing, and we ate it warm with some tea.
Chocolate cake. That sounds perfect. Did she tell you any stories?
Yes, she told me stories about her school days and her first job. I love listening to older family members. They have so much wisdom. But then I helped her clean and showed her the photo of my lake painting.
Oh, what did she say about the painting?
She looked at it and said, "Maya, this lake looks like a blue potato." We laughed so much. She is very honest, but it made my day.
A blue potato. That is hilarious. But honestly, it sounds like a perfect weekend for both of us. We had nature, art, family, friends, and time for reflection.
It really was a full and happy weekend. Now, we want to hear from you, our wonderful listeners. What did you do last weekend?
Yes, please tell us in the comments. Did you cook something delicious, go to the park, or try a new hobby? Writing in English is amazing practice, so don't worry about mistakes.
Exactly. Mistakes are just a natural part of learning. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. Keep practicing. You are doing a great job. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.